Hey, what's up? It's Ryder here with another cardboard creation. Today I will be making a cardboard basketball game. So what you're going to need for today is some cardboard, something not too big of a circle, but a good sized circle. So I'm using just a cup, a knife, be careful, a ruler, so a hot glue gun and some hot glue sticks, and some big popsicle sticks. You're going to need some sticks. I'm using some bamboo sticks and some barbecue sticks. You're gonna need a ball. I'm using a ping pong ball and like a bottle cap. I'm just using a water bottle cap. Now what I'm gonna do once I have my cardboard piece is I'm going to take some popsicle sticks. So what you're gonna start with is hot gluing 2 popsicle sticks like this. Now with that, I have to glue another popsicle stick, but I first have to cut it with my scissors exactly at the end. So which is this, is I'm gonna glue it on. Here we go. Here we go, there's my second popsicle stick going on now. Okay. And if there's any like excess, you're just gonna want to wipe it off. So I'm just using a little piece of cardboard and I'm wiping off the glue on the sides. Perfect, like so. Now when I have like this, I'm gonna do the same thing right here. I'm gonna cut it how it will hurt. Okay, so now I have my 2 popsicle sticks. Well, it's more than 2 popsicle sticks glued together. So now with my last 3 popsicle sticks, I'm just gonna glue them on. Like one here, one here. So, here we go. Okay, there's my cut. Okay, now I can glue it on. So now what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna take some tape. You're going to you can use regular duct tape and just cut it, like rip it in half. So you need to put it right at the bottom and you're just gonna go around it like that a few times. Should be like almost a centimeter and a half more thicker. Put my tape to the side and I'm gonna finish that right now because now I just had to do that to make it flat at the bottom. So now this is our backboard for the net, for the basketball net. So now with this, I'm going to use my little bits that I had left over from my popsicle sticks. You only need 2 of them, and you're gonna glue them you're first gonna glue your backboard onto the back of the net like this. So here we go. It should be very careful. Don't put too much glue, but don't put too little glue. Okay, now I'm gonna put it on right there. Perfect. Now with my little popsicle sticks, they don't have to be exactly the same, but now what I'm gonna do with them is I'm gonna glue them to the bottom and then to my popsicle stick. So I'm gonna glue the bottom, glue here, and then glue the bottom. Glue there. Good. And now I'll put it down and I'll put it on. Like so. You only need actually 1 and you're just gonna do it, you're gonna put it on just on the back like this. So now you should have your back, your almost like a pole and your stick to hold it up and your bottom. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the basketball net. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut out a piece of cardboard like this. I'm gonna make it a little smaller because you want it you want one side to be a little more, one side to be a little thicker than the other. So mine's like this. It's almost a rectangle, but just almost a rectangle, but it's not. Okay, I'm gonna do a little more of it out. Okay, so now I have that. Now with that, I'm gonna take, I just cut out a piece of cardboard. With that, you need to peel it. you need to peel your cardboard. So how you're gonna peel your cardboard is you're gonna take off your first layer. How you're gonna take off your first layer is you're gonna smallly peel. Like you need to just like this. And now like that, and then you're gonna put your thumb there and you're gonna take your other hand and rip. And do that the whole way. Don't go too fast because then it won't get bendy because you need it to be like bendy like this. Now I'm gonna make my basketball net just like the hoop, just around as big as my tape roll I have here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it around my tape roll. There we go. And there's my glue on. Now I'm gonna turn and it's glued. There we go. Now it's glued on. Now I don't want to burn myself. So what I'm gonna do is once I have my circle, I'm just gonna tape here so it doesn't like unfold while I'm playing. That sucks when that happens. Now with this and my backboard, my two pieces that I just made, I'm first gonna take a pencil if you want to make it nice and cool, and you're gonna draw a nice square. So there we go. I'm gonna make a square just to make it look like a real backboard. It's more like a rectangle, and then in the square, in the rectangle, you're gonna draw an X, like a window, like that. And now with your space at the bottom, you're gonna take your ring and you're gonna put it right on it, like that, and you're gonna glue it. There we go. Now let's put it on. Like that, and now I just have to let it dry. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this to the side. It should look like this, and now I'm gonna put this to the side. So now my next step is I'm gonna make my shooter. So now what you're gonna need is you're gonna take your cup and you're gonna trace a circle. So now you should have a circle. You're gonna have to trace 3 circles. So now with your 3 circles, you need to glue all 3 together. Like this. Here we go. That's 2 together. Last one. Okay. Okay. So now I have 3 circles glued together. Now with my 3 circles, what I'm gonna do, some squares. I did 8 squares of, they are 3 by 3 centimeters. And then I glued 4 together and 4 together. Stick, and you're gonna make a nice hole through it. And it should be able to go nicely through your squares. Shove it through, and take it out. Like that. Have it through this side, take it out like that. Now does it fit through this one too? Perfect. So now you should be able to stick it right through both. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay, there we go. And now I'll put it through here. Let's see if it's good. Yeah, perfect. Now it should be perfect. What I'm gonna do is with my sticks and my cubes, I am gonna have to glue it down to my circle, like this. Okay, perfect. This. Now, what I'm gonna do next is I have a stick this way, and now with my 2 sticks, my little sticks that I made before, I'm gonna stick them into the holes down here. That's one, and here's two. Okay. Perfect. So now I have that. And now I'm just gonna glue my edge, like my sides, like the bottoms on my square, because it is moving a little and that's bad. But you shouldn't glue your stick in the middle that connects the two, because that's bad. Because it needs to be able to move. There we go. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna let that dry for a minute. While that's drying, what you're gonna need for the next step is your bottle cap and one more popsicle stick, your elastic band. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a small elastic band, a bottle cap, and one more stick. So now with your bottle cap and your stick, you're gonna glue your bottle cap on, not all the way to the top, but just a little down, like that. Now I'm gonna do it. There we go. Now let's glue it on. Okay. Now it's just gluing on, so I'm gonna flip it over here and let it dry for a second too. Now we're gonna go back to previous steps. And with our basketball net, I'm gonna go back to our net. Now I'm gonna take my backboard and the net, and I'm gonna glue it onto my stick, like this. Okay. How far does it go? So I know how to glue it. Till there. Okay, perfect. Okay, like that, and now I can glue it on, like that. Perfect. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do to make it just a little more secure, is I'm gonna take some tape and I'm gonna glue right over my stick. So now it's like we have a basketball court, but no shooter. So now we've got that with some tape on the back. Now what I'm gonna do is with my shooter part, because now it's all dry, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my popsicle stick and my cap, my bottle cap, and I'm gonna glue it right on, like that. Okay, so now I think it's dried. Yes, it is. Okay. Now onto my stick in the middle right here, I'm gonna glue my stick. But because there's lines of glue, just ripping those off. Perfect. Okay. So now you need to make it so like it goes only right until like the end of it, the cardboard, and then that's where you know how to glue it. Right here. Okay, and now put this on like this and like that. Okay, and now I'm going to take a little tape and I'm going to tape it on. Now once it's dried, I'm going to put this under it and just glue. I'm going to just do this. Like that, and I'm going to cut this and put it here, and now we go, like that. Okay, so now I have this, and it moves like this. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my I'm gonna take my elastic band, and I'm going to attach it to both sides of like my bottom popsicle stick. It's under it, and I'm going to, with my barbecue sticks from before, put it like that, and now I have that. So now it should be like that, and now we have this. This is our shooter. Oh my. Okay, so now when I'm taking my cardboard back, my base, and I'm going to glue it right to the end. And now I'm putting it on. Okay. Now with that, I'm going to dry it, and then we're done. There you have your basketball. So how it's going to work is you hold your piece, your stick, and you're able to shoot it, and then you let go. And that's it for today. Hope you liked and enjoyed this cardboard creation. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and hit that bell. See ya.